Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video we're going to be looking at the Wuben X1 Pro. Now they are officially launching the retail version of this. They've had a Kickstarter version that's been out there, but this is that final fine-tuned version, and they sent this out to me to let you know that it's launching and to go over those new features. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. I'll go over what you get in the box, show you what the difference is maybe of the new features that they have on this one, and then again show it to you maybe in some outside settings because this is a very high lumen flashlight. It's like 12,300 lumens, by far the most lumens in a handheld flashlight that I have or have ever owned, I think. So I have had the Wuben X4 for quite some time, and this is kind of like a gigantic big brother of that. Of course, this has some other features on it as well, but it's nowhere near the lumens is what this is. So I'm going to go over what you get in the box. Again, share the features with you and show it to you in use, and then you can decide if you want to pick one of these up. Before we talk about what's in the box, let's talk about what's on the box. Again, Wuben X1 Pro. Nothing really on the sides or anything, but Wuben always does a fantastic job on their packaging and stuff like that. It's always top notch. Here's the back side of the box. All the parameters, you know, the lumens, run times, the throw, how much it weighs, the dimensions, all that. Also made in China, you can see here. And here's all the stuff that's inside the package. I think the only thing I didn't get out was those spare screw pack for the fan. So there's some little screws in here in case you end up taking this apart and you need some extra ones, I guess. So in the box, you're definitely going to get the flashlight. That's the whole reason why you're buying it. Other than that, the other two things that are really nice is it does come with a holster that has a clip back here that's kind of got like a wraparound action to make it a little bit hard to take on and off, but that might be a good thing. And its light's just going to slide down like so. It is a snug fit. So definitely not going to fall out. And then you can also tighten it up a little bit more right there. So for sure not coming out of there unless you want it to come out. So it's not necessarily like a easy slide in and out, but it's definitely a secure, clip holster. The other cool thing is the lanyard option. It's kind of a twofer. You could put this through that hole and lock it in, but it's kind of unique. You can see these little tabs here. You press in, pull that out. You can see that's USB-C right there. Same thing on this side. If I push that in, that's USB-C as well. So it's kind of a lanyard, but also your charging cable. It does charge USB-C. That charging port is right here. Whenever you charge it up, there's a light right here that changes colors and stuff to let you know that it's, lit up from blue to red and all that kind of stuff. So that's basically everything as far as in the box. Outside, as far as features go, does have a removable battery. So you can press this button here. That's going to pop open. It's kind of spring loaded. And then there are your two batteries. We can pull those out. You can see 21,700 cells. Let's see if I see anything else on here. 4,900 milliamp hours right there. So you get two of those. It's always nice if you can change your batteries, in and out if you need to. Make sure I'm putting those in there the right way. Should be like so. Again, just clicks into place. You can also lock and unlock that so that you can't, because whenever you actually unlock that and press that button, I mean, that thing springs open. So if you have that upside down and you accidentally do that, your batteries are probably going to end up falling out. So anytime you're using it, you probably want to lock that. It's nice that they thought that through. And then the nice thing about this light is you do have 3 light settings. You have spotlight over here on the far left. And then in the middle, you have spotlight plus floodlight. And then over here on the far right, you have floodlight. So you basically have a spotlight, floodlight, or you can put it in the middle and kind of be using both of those lights if you need to. Here are the different operation modes that you can do if you want to pause and zoom in and check those out. I'm going to show them to you too, but just in case I don't show everything, I always like to put this up there. So again, you can turn it on, floodlight, one button over here to control it all, or actually that's spotlight. And then we can also go over here to floodlight, or we can put it in the middle. It's going to turn them all on, so you can kind of see the difference right there. Spotlight, floodlight, maybe you can't see that as much. And then there is both of those together, and then you're just going to cycle through by pressing and holding the button. So very easy to use this light. Not a bunch of crazy weird features. It's basically press a button, turn it on and off, press and hold it till you get to the setting that you want to. And then it does obviously have, the turbo mode where you double press. That's that 12,300 lumens. And as you're in turbo mode, maybe you can hear that fan kick on. I don't know if you can hear that or not, There's your little 4 screws in case you take that out maybe to clean the fan and you lose a screw. They do give you some spare ones in there as well. But pretty easy to go over the features. Let me go ahead and show it to you in the dark, and I'm going to go outside since it's a high lumen light. So I'm going to start out with the spotlight. Here is the lowest setting of the spotlight, and then I'll press and hold and cycle through the 4. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. Double press, turbo mode on the spotlight. Then I'm going to press and hold and go down to the lowest setting. Now I'll swap over to flood. There's the lowest setting in flood. Press and hold. Next setting. Press and hold. Press and hold. Turbo mode. And you can see it is lighting up everything as far as that goes. And then now press, turn that off. I'm going to go to the combination mode. Here is the lowest setting on that. Press and hold. Press and hold. Press and hold. And then I'm going to double press it. So here is the 12,300 lumens. And I mean, it's like looking at daylight out here. But there you go, guys. There is the Wuben X1 Pro. Again, they're launching that retail version. Comes with the holster, comes with the 2-in-1 lanyard. I do know that I think they changed the lumen from the Kickstarter. Again, I didn't have the Kickstarter, so I'm not real sure. From 13,000, this one's only 12,300 in that turbo mode. And it's not often you probably see a company go less because of marketing and things like that. But they said it gave them a longer throw and a more focused beam, dropping it down to 12,300 lumens. So kudos to them to say, hey, we don't care if we can't market it for 13,000. If it makes the light better, that's what we're going to do. But again, I didn't have the Kickstarter version. Let us know in the comments below if you've had that and you've been running this for quite some time, how much you like it. That might help people decide if they want to buy this retail version or not. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick this one up. As always, I hope this video was helpful in some way. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you in the next video.